What are the benefits of yoga and meditation? Yoga and meditation is not just a trend made popular by millennials on Instagram. The practice of yoga and meditation has been around for centuries, with Hatha yoga practices dating back as far as the 11th century in the Far East. Fast forward to the 1980s and the Western world caught on to the benefits of yoga and meditation, where both practices became highly popularized. Since then, thousands of studies have been devoted to highlighting the many benefits of yoga and meditation. Yoga is not only a practice of physical exercise which is beneficial to the body but at its core, has a meditative and spiritual grounding. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of yoga and meditation, we outline it all on this video. The benefits of yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation can be likened to sisters, each practice is different in its own way, but both are grounded in spirituality and their benefits on the mind and the body. Practicing yoga is known to improve flexibility, balance, endurance and physical strength. While meditation helps to keep the mind sharp and clear, relieves stress and improves overall well-being. These are just a few of the many benefits of yoga and meditation. In total there are 14 different variations of yoga practice. For the most part, all yoga practices have similar benefits, including 1. Relief of back pain. If you suffer from persistent back pain, the practice of yoga just once or twice a week can help with relief from pain and discomfort. Stretching exercises and poses as well as increased core strength help to improve flexibility and agility of rigid muscles, alleviating lower back pain. 2. Assists with symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. There are specific forms of yoga, Iyengar, Bikram, and gentle yoga which have proven to help in the management of rheumatoid arthritis. RA. The slow, easy pace of these forms of yoga alleviates tension and pain in joints and muscles, while also helping to build up physical strength in those suffering from RA. 3. Helps to cure a hangover. While the last thing on your mind may be a yoga class when suffering from a hangover, yoga is one of the best ways of detoxing your body. Certain poses including the plow, bow, and shoulder stand help to activate the thyroid gland, which in turn kick-starts your metabolism, ridding your body of toxins. Yoga also helps with blood circulation, helping to bring your body and mind back to its fresh self. 4. Improves heart health. As mentioned, yoga helps with stimulating blood circulation around the body, which helps to eliminate arterial plaque in the heart muscle. As a result, yoga assists in keeping your heart rate regular, strong and healthy. Yoga is highly relaxing, it lowers stress levels and high blood pressure. 5. Helps to combat migraines. Looking for a simple solution on how to get rid of a headache without medication? This is where the benefits of yoga and meditation can be completely surprising. Nowadays, many people tend to over-medicate themselves and build up mountains of harmful toxins inside their systems. While the pain of a migraine can be totally unbearable, yoga is a great exercise to help prevent and fight them off. If you can bear it, one of the most beneficial poses is the bridge pose, which helps to relax tension in the neck and shoulders, which can trigger migraines. These muscles and a myriad of others tend to become overused and misaligned throughout our daily lives, which can lead to tension buildup, a common cause of migraines. 6. Regulates digestion. If you suffer from persistent indigestion or constipation, yoga is a simple solution to get things moving. A number of yoga poses, twists and positions help to massage and squeeze internal organs, ultimately assisting with the movement of food and its digestion. Yoga is also highly beneficial in stimulating our lymphatic system, which works to flush our body of harmful toxins, which can cause indigestion. Meditation. There are 7 types of useful forms of meditation which have become highly popular in recent years, most especially in managing stress levels. Some of the most beneficial aspects of meditation include: 1. Emotional upliftment. Meditation improves mental focus and an overall feeling of emotional upliftment due to deep relaxation. During meditation practices, you are encouraged to look at the positive aspects of your life and focus closely on that. Even a 10-minute meditation session leaves you in a positive, upbeat frame of mind, leading to an emotional boost. 2. Stress management. Probably the most beneficial aspect of meditation has to be its ability to help millions of people across the globe manage their stress. Regular meditation reduces stress responses in the brain throughout the day. Inflammatory responses to certain external stressors become trained to react in a more calm and relaxed manner. Ultimately, this means that the more you meditate, the better you can become at handling stress. In turn, the management of stress levels helps to reduce high blood pressure and the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. 3. Helps to manage depression and anxiety disorders. Mindful meditation has become a popular practice in today's day and age in successfully managing depression. Mindful meditation reduces negative or critical thinking, which leads to dysfunctional or harmful beliefs. Additionally, meditation helps in the management of anxiety. Our lives are constantly bombarded by external pressures: work, school, children, financial responsibilities, debt, the list goes on. This is where the relaxing effects of meditation can help manage those external pressures. 4. Improves levels of concentration. Meditation is also known to increase levels of gray matter concentration in the brain. This type of concentration ultimately helps you to regulate and process emotions more effectively, improves learning ability, memory, and your sense of self. Did you enjoy the video? Please leave a comment below. Like my videos, share to friends and subscribe to my channel.